Spring snowstorm. What is the date? April 13th? 12th. I don't know, April 12th or 13th. I'm recording. I don't know, we got like 8 to 12 inches.
I think it's the 13th.
Autumn thinks it's the 13th. There's thunder. Not as deep as our last big snowstorm, but for the middle of April, it's pretty good. Tuesday, and Leah, and Luke, and Spike, and Brute, and Han. They're 4 months old now, well, 16 weeks. Shorty, and Thunder, and Bisgig, and Autumn, playing.
Spike hasn't moved from the spot.
Too bad Jeremy's working today or we'd be out running dogs. Hope we get to enjoy this snow. It doesn't just melt right away before we can get out on sleds. Yay! This is a loudmouth.